My name is Darren Ecton. I'm the current chair of the Department of Student Leadership and Success Studies, which is part of University College. You probably know, or at least have heard, that universities are organized into two main areas that support students: academic affairs and student affairs. Academic affairs is where you are provided with classes, certificates, and degrees that are offered by several colleges and schools within academic affairs, like the College of Engineering and Technology, the College of Humanities and Social Sciences, and many more, including our college, University College. University College consists of 4 departments: English Language Learning, Literacies and Composition, Developmental Math, and Student Leadership and Success Studies. University College is the academic gateway to help students, especially first-year students, gain the foundational skills and preparation for success as students pursue their degrees, as well as the skills and preparation for jobs while in school and after graduation. In the Department of Student Leadership and Success Studies, we offer you classes that can help you grow and develop holistically. And we offer classes face-to-face, via web conferencing, where you can wear your PJs at home and interact with students and professors online, as well as other online classes. We offer a leadership certificate for personal and social impact, as well as 2 two-year degrees and 2 four-year degrees. If you've taken some concurrent enrollment classes while in high school, you may be able to take the leadership certificate as the remaining credits towards your associate degree, or apply the leadership certificate towards a bachelor's degree. Employers want what our students experience and learn in our classes. We hope you'll plan on taking our classes that show up as SLSS courses in the course catalog. We look forward to seeing you and supporting you in your goals.
Hi, my name is Miranda Ashman, and I want you in my class. Along with my other colleagues in my department, we focus on the student as a whole, developing you from where you are to where you're going to become. We have a few classes I'd like to highlight. The first is SLSS 1000, University Student Success. This is a course I've been teaching for over 17 years, and I plan on teaching it every semester. Because why wouldn't you want to have me as your teacher? Someone who's 100% focused on you and your success. And also in this class, we have a peer mentor. They're called UVU mentors. They are trained, they receive a scholarship, and they are there for you. We work together, but we're focused on you. They're not my assistant. And who knows, maybe after you've taken this class, you might want to be a UVU mentor and receive a scholarship as well. Another course I'd like to talk about is our SLSS 1100. That's our stress management class. I mean, come on. Life is stressful anyways. Add going to college, living on your own. Boy, there's a lot of things to be stressed over. But this course, again, developing you as a whole student, helps you identify your stressors and then to find all of these strategies that will help you. The third class I'd like to talk about is our SLSS 1190, Learning Strategies, but it really focuses on becoming a better reader, meaning you're able to comprehend what you're reading because you're going to read thousands and thousands and thousands of pages during your college career. So why not only do it one time because you can comprehend it? And the last class I'd like to highlight is our SLSS 2100, which is Career and Major Exploration. In this course, just as we do in all of our courses, we focus on the knowledge of you first. Then we move into the knowledge of careers and jobs. And then you get to kind of test them. Maybe it's a job shadow, maybe it's an interview. But this course is great if you're unsure of what you want to go into. You'll be able to help narrow some of those down. But also, if you are pretty sure about what your major is, this one's fantastic because it confirms that it's right. So, come sign up for a class. I would love to be on this learning journey with you.
I've learned to be honest with myself in this class.
For a long time I've been really focused on the financial side of things, but just in the past couple of months I've really started to understand what's more important to me, and that's being happy.
I highly recommend this class. It has helped me in many aspects of my life. When I first started the class, I thought I had an idea about what I wanted to study, but upon realizing the process of exploring, I realized that there are many other opportunities out there and many positive things that we can do.
Hi students, I'm Ben Johnson. I'm a professor in the Department of Student Leadership and Success Studies. you can find the Journal of Student Leadership in SLSS. This is a double-blind, peer-reviewed journal that focuses on the various aspects of leadership, including personal leadership, formal and informal leadership, and includes scholarly or academic submissions, reflective essays, and poetry. If you're interested in editing, design, marketing, or PR, joining our staff is a great way to get real-world experience and make new friends along the way. Throughout your time at UVU, you might find yourself writing on leadership topics. Consider submitting that work to the Journal of Student Leadership. This journal helps you get involved on campus, get noticed, and is a great addition to your resume.
We tend to consider college as a way to get a degree so we can become more marketable to start our careers. But most of us, we're guessing, also want our college experience to have meaning. We want all these classes we're taking and all this information we're learning to connect us to the bigger world out there. Maybe you're thinking, what does all this learning really mean to me? How will I be able to pay it forward when it's all said and done? Will I be able to contribute something back to make my world better? One way to change the world, as Steve Jobs says in this quote, is to consider social impact and what you can personally do about it. The Department of Student Leadership and Success Studies offers a one-year certificate program called Leadership for Personal and Social Impact. A certificate is like getting a mini diploma in something very specific. With the certificate, you will be learning how to leverage your personal leadership and strengths to truly make a difference. With classes that range from personal leadership all the way to becoming a lifelong change agent, this certificate will inspire transformational learning and leadership in you. We hope you check it out.
Aloha. My name is Dr. Cynthia Wong. The SLSS 4800 Leadership Capstone is the final class in the Leadership for Personal and Social Impact Certificate. We're proud to offer a course that provides opportunities to develop leadership skills while solving real-world problems. This course combines three central components: experiential learning, service, and leadership. Students learn to apply leadership principles acquired through other classes in the Leadership Certificate program. This course is taught partly in the classroom and partly here in Silicon Slopes. We use human-centered design thinking framework from Stanford University's D School to innovate products and services for local companies and organizations. For example, this past year, we partnered with Vivint Smart Homes. The students received instruction, project feedback, and mentorship by Vivint employees each week here at their Innovation Center. At the end of the semester, students presented 6 unique projects to the executive team at Vivint and UVU. In terms of feedback from the course, one student said, "I loved how expansive this class was. We got to work on a legitimate project for a well-known company. We learned how to work in a team, and I was able to recognize strengths and weaknesses in a way I haven't had the opportunity to see before." We hope you'll join us for this game-changing leadership experience, exclusively offered through the Student Leadership and Success Studies Department.
I'm Mallory.
And I'm Harmony.
And we're the SLSS office assistants. So we're just here to answer any of your questions, whether you're lost on campus or don't know what class to sign up for next.
Yes, we're located on the 4th floor of the LC, or Lucy Center? Yeah, Lucy Center. Yes, and we're available on Teams. We have an email. Also, we're going to have some social media coming out soon. So if you guys have questions on things like scholarships and if you want to be a mentor, things like that, you can totally get a hold of us there.
Hi, I'm Shayla. I'm currently a UVU mentor, and I'm in the SLSS Leadership Certificate for Personal and Social Impact Certificate program. And I've taken several helpful SLSS department courses. The classes I've taken have helped me create a better self-esteem, fulfillment, and confidence in myself and in the world. The Department of Student Leadership and University College is here to help you. Sign up for SLSS today.